Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We hit the road and drove from Singapore to Johor Bahru, Malaysia for the annual Merdeka weekend Retrocar celebration. It's not just a car meet, it's a car contest too. Keeping my finger crossed.
I'm gonna join, so this is my sleep. Woo! What was that? Lucky I never parked so near them. Crazy, man. What park I come? Oh, sorry, mind my language. What? Oh my god!
This year, Merdeka in 2025 marks a historic milestone, Malaysia's 68th National Day, commemorating the nation's independence from United Kingdom in 1957.
Boleh Singapore apa? Yeah. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Apa ni? Antena?
No lah. Banner.
Oh, banner.
While the judges are walking around checking out the cars, let's go for dinner. The celebration comes alive with the colorful carnival. Alright, check out this automated pineapple peeler.
Cik. Alright.
Thank you.
The beautiful sunset paints the sky, while the air is filled with the inviting aroma of the delicious food. Wow, enough to stir my appetite and make me hungry. But first I need to find the toilet.
Micro zoom.
Toilet break delay because I cannot resist checking out the fascinating display of exotic pets, spiders, snakes and geckos.
Oh my god. So cute, nah? Milk snake lah.
Oh, dia tengok sesama dia tak boleh gaduh ke? Tak lari ke?
Dia dah terbang lah ni.
Oh my god, fist bump. Alright.
Yang ni yang kali normal, yang tadi tu sikit.
Oh,
So gorgeous.
oh my god. Terima kasih, Dik. Scared but want to take. Wah, kebab. Ui.
Gila kan?
Wow, influencer.
I two times.
Oh, you know it.
Influencer.
Not me. I pretend only.
Then they must sponsor you ah. Wow, look good eh.
Good stuff. Oh, SG Retro.
Yeah, from Singapore.
I got inside your Facebook group.
Oh, thank you for follow.
Yeah, I see you guys post picture. I
Chill,
like
chill, chill.
vintage car.
Nice. Thank you for support.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Malaysia. Okay, see you. The chef is cooking my dinner.
Tak nak sauce?
Okay, terima kasih. Okay, thank you. Why buying?
I buy burger.
Oh,
Then I
burger.
bought the kebab.
Oh, kebab.
And then after that, now I buy this and this for everybody to share.
Wow. Ada goreng pisang tak?
No, tak ada pisang.
Ah,
All
oh,
the keropok.
keropok ah. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
all the ikan keropok. Thank you. Look, last year our so noisy. Some people was too loud. It was too near us. I mean, okay, it was not very near lah.
Alright, you make it, man. Alright. Come, resistance. Alright, man. Congratulations. Big time winner, man. Woo! Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, do consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. See you soon. Ciao.